As of 5 a.m., now we have Hurricane Irma with winds of 150 miles per hour.
Nice. And you're bound to go to Key West no matter what, huh?
No matter what.
He was here during the storm, and mind you, this is ground zero. This is Big Pine Key. He's an Army veteran, and a couple Army veterans stayed here. They were completely prepared with MREs and everything else he was saying. Oh, what is that? What kind of a gun is that?
Come looting in here.
Oh, yeah, did you hear that?
I can't say anything over here.
As you can see, we have all these emergency vehicles coming in. Mile marker 74, Safari Lounge, Tollgate Boulevard. You are not allowed past here in the Florida Keys. I don't know if you can see that sign that it says boil water advisory in effect. We also have a curfew. We're at approximately mile marker 38. This is the Sunshine Key RV resort community. You can see that this is obviously ground zero for Hurricane Irma.
And I don't understand why the federal government and everyone's not in an uproar to get this place cleaned up. We've lost so many of our just, I guess, blue-collar workers, people that work at Walgreens, people that were barely making it anyways. what we came down here to run our boats through, and this isn't what tourists came down to see the natural beauty, and it's like it's being forgotten and not being cleaned up. Just got to the point where we were tired of seeing all the trash in the water and decided to do something about it, so we got some friends and some kayaks. That turned into this great big event that so many people have come to. It's gone viral. Yeah, and this little hurricane has done it for Big Pine. We were the hardest hit. The other islands are not as bad off as we are. There's more concrete homes on those. And here on Big Pine, there's a lot of the trailers and the people that do all the hard work around here. So they just got flattened. And those people are hurt, and they're angry, and they're disheartened. So when I said let's clean up the canals, they said, yeah, let's do it.
We have cleanups every weekend just about these days. There were 5 different cleanups today, so I'm super excited.
Hoping to give people a break. They're working hard, they're sweating, they're tired, and we're trying to get them a good hot meal. Recovering from this kind of stuff is one step at a time.
We have free ice. It's in my truck with free ice. So please come down and get as much ice as you want. We'll load it up for you.
The hurricane is not over. Just because the wind quit blowing and the tide went down, the devastation is going to continue for a long time, and lives are going to remain affected for years to come.